Hello friends, welcome to my channel shaikhhelpdesk. So today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to create and insert Google Analytics ID into your YouTube channel. So if you new here, so please remember to subscribe. Let's start. So guys, simply go to your Chrome browser and type Google Analytics. After typing Google Analytics, click on the first Google Analytics, click on that. After clicking on that, page will open and welcome to Google Analytics. So click start. As you can click start, so here the account name require account can contain more than one tracking ID. So my account is HR Sheikh. And then make sure the all tick marks is blue color and click on the next. As you clicking on the next, select web and click next. After clicking the next, so website name, my website name is YouTube, and website URL, simply you are going to your channel, so minimize this. Click on your channel icon name, then click on your channel, and from here you can copy your video link. HTTP needs to be removed from here. Okay, so now create. I also accept the data. From here you need to select India, so I accept, and I also accept the data processing terms and required. I accept. It takes some time. Success. No thanks. So it's loading. So from here you can copy this tracking ID, and now you have to go to your YouTube account. So we will minimize that on your browser. Go to YouTube account, select desktop site version, channel name icon, click on that. So as you can see, so after clicking on your channel, so click on YouTube Studio. So after that, click on the bottom left corner side icon, which is classic mode icon. So skip. Skip that and go to Legacy Classic. And then go to your channel. Then Go to advanced. Now you can put your Google Analytics ID here. So I have already inserted, so insert and click on save button. So now your Google Analytical ID is stored into your YouTube account. So thank you for watching.